da 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 dun 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 dun. Tyson part 1 and part 2. Hello guys, welcome back to Tyson part 1 and part 2. That was the intro of So we're in the hotel. There's a new show opening called I'll Massage Your Feet. So I love fidgets. If you don't know what fidget halls are, just like these things that you pop, then go on the other side and pop again. So those are what fidgets are. And I love them so much. I see everyone has it, even my classmates. So I decided to buy one. But my mom said tomorrow we buy it, and today. So we were yesterday. She said we can buy it tomorrow. Today's tomorrow, so we're gonna buy it today. I don't know when we're gonna buy it, but I'm gonna bring you along when we're gonna buy it, okay? And guys, if you ever want to visit my channel, my other channel, I have 2 channels. If you ever want to visit them, the other one. This is my first channel, guys. Then I have a second channel. It's called it's called Summertime No School. It's called Summertime No School because it's summer. So search up Summertime No School, then you will see it. And then when you search it up, then my channel's real name is Selena Skits and Other Famous People Skits. I change the channel's name sometimes when I like it. So yeah, guys, those people were at the pool. We're at the hotel. That's the beach. Okay, so yeah, and that's the pool over there. So guys, and Taylor has a channel too. Her channel is called Taylor's Barbie Enjoy Videos. Go to her channel too, my sister. So if you want to watch her channel, and yeah, we have. So I'm gonna cut this vlog and I'm gonna post again, and when we go get the fidget.